the Leela Ambience in Gurugram. Recently, our company had organized a 3-day women's conference at the Leela Ambience, and as usual, the Leela didn't disappoint. The Leela had a large, spacious lobby on the ground floor, and on the upper ground, a desk was set up for express check-ins for our group. After a quick check-in, I moved on to explore my room. The room was spacious and beautiful. It had every amenity I could possibly need. An electric kettle, a study table, a couch to lounge in, an ironing table, a seat by the window. The bathroom is also well equipped. Separate toilet enclosure, a close-up mirror, some towels and toiletries, extra towels, more toiletries in the bath area, and a bathtub. After a relaxing bath, I headed over to the Pearl Ballroom at the lobby level to attend various sessions. In each session break, the Leela staff served us a delectable array of food. Apart from classics like shepherd pie and biryani, there was also a whole range of fusion foods. The breakfast buffet on offer was also a gourmet's delight. With so much on offer, it was actually difficult to decide what to take and what to leave. I would usually start by piling up healthy, protein-rich items, but then would eventually give in to my sweet tooth. But can you really blame me when they laid out this unbelievable selection of desserts each day? So let me take leave while you continue drooling over this visual treat.